Hello, I am Kamruddin. I am a motivational speaker and author. I have written 8 motivational books, some fictions and some non-fictions. I have posted videos about table tennis, Urdu and English language, shero-shairi and motivational topics. You look at the etymological root of affirmation. Affirmation comes from Latin noun, which means to strengthen, to fortify. Repeating affirmation is a great way to start the day. Start your day with motivational positive affirmations. If you repeat affirmation with a focused mind and focused awareness in the meditative state, our subconscious takes over and these affirmations become part of our life. Here are a few of my favorite affirmations. You can coin a few of your own affirmations which suit your requirement. God is always a good God. God is always with us to help and guide us. Thank you, God, for waking me alive, active and joyful. I am making the best of this day. God is always with us to help and guide us. He never leaves us alone. Thank you, God. You have given me so many blessings. Thank you, God. You have kept me free from so many problems. Thank you, God, for waking me alive, active and joyful. I am making the best of this day. I handle problems with help of God. I am prosperous and healthy. Day by day, in every way, through the grace of God, I am getting better and better. I always get what I want. I am in the process of getting whatever I want. I am always happy, whether I succeed or fail. Even if I fail in something, I always learn a valuable lesson from it. All is well. Everything is unfolding as it should. I am alive, enthusiastic, alert and active. I be my best I do my best, I attract best, and I always manifest best. I am always successful, and success is in my blood. Motivation comes to me easily from inside and from other sources. I am healthy, and my health is getting better and better every day. I am rich and always get unlimited abundance and prosperity. I am now prosperous, happy, and healthy. I am a man of sense of humor, and I spread joy everywhere. I love. I am love. I am loving. I am loved. And I am beloved. I love unconditionally without expecting anything in return. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. This is the day which God has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Attention here and now. Be here and be present in this moment. Whatever I think, feel, do, and experience is always in my hand because I am master of this life. It is my life and I am master of my destiny. God grant me serenity to accept the things I cannot change and courage to change the things I can and wisdom to know the difference. For every ailment under the sun, there is a remedy or there is none. If there is one, try to find it. And if there is none, do not mind it. I live with grace, ease, and lightness. I live in a free flow mode with an effortless ease. I am a tough-minded, dynamic optimist. I hope for the best. No matter what happens externally and no matter what is taken away from me, I am not affected internally. I am valuable and important. I believe in myself. I would rather be me than someone else. I feel good when I get compliments. I can handle criticism easily and comfortably. I like the way I look. I respect myself. I know my positive qualities. I love myself even when others reject me. I focus on success, not on failures. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Simple affirmations and little prayers have power to eliminate negative thoughts and shift perspective to love, and it makes our lives interesting. If you find yourself feeling low at some time, you can practice all of these positive self-talk or affirmations. Here is one more technique that will help you pick yourself up. It's called the happiness alphabet. Simply recite the alphabet, and for each letter say a positive word. For example, A is for awesome, B is for brilliant, C is for creative, and so forth. By the time you reach Z, it's for zealous. To God, I woke up alive, active and joyful, and I am making the best of this day. This is the day which God has made. I shall rejoice and be glad in it. Thank you for watching this and my other videos. Please press bell icon so that you do not miss my subsequent videos. If you want to ask something, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be glad to respond.